How to use Google Docs on Android document editing guides. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can use that. So for that you guys will simply go to Play Store here, search for Docs. So I'll simply search for DOC. Once we search for that, here we will wait for some seconds. So let's wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see Docs Reader Google Docs. So simply install that Google Docs. Once we install it, simply click on Docs app. Here you guys will simply sign in your Google account. Once you sign in here, you guys will see that type of interface. So for editing files, simply click on plus icon. Now you guys can see new document, choose template. So simply click on new document. Once we click on new document, here you guys can write the things. Also on downside, you guys can see B I U A. So for example, when you click on B here, you guys can whatever you write, it will be big heading like plus heading. And for lines, simply you guys can discover other features of that. Once you do that, after that click on that top left corner mark, and once we click on that, that's it, our file will be saved. So that's how you guys can use Google Docs in Android. Thanks for watching.